It's a national culinary competition that brings together the country's top chefs. Held across 11 cities, Canada's Great Kitchen Party stopped by Toronto last night. And joining us this morning is the winner, Chef Elia Herrera. Welcome to Your Morning Kitchen.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
I appreciate it.
How are you feeling after last night's win?
Very happy, very excited, and very grateful as well.
Well, all right, you are going to recreate for us here in the kitchen your winning dish.
Yes.
Tell me the story behind this dish. How did you come up with it?
Well, the mole is my grandmother's recipe. Then the tamal de cazuela is my mother's recipe. When I was in Marrakesh, my dessert was oranges with orange blossom water and some cinnamon, which I fell in love with.
Yeah.
And I think it's very well connected with the mole, which it has lots of spiciness, and also because the dish itself, it can be a little bit heavy. Mm-hmm. You need like a refreshment, like a splash of water in your mouth to have a little bit balance in your plate.
I love that there's 3 generations coming together to create a winner. All right, walk us through this. First, what are we doing first?
So the pork belly, we cure it for 3 days. It's a process of actually 3 days. Like we cure it overnight, and then we wash it the next day with white vinegar, and we repeat it like that.
Okay.
And then we sous vide it like for 12 hours overnight.
So lots of work goes into these little cubes, yeah.
And then the mole takes like approx 2 days as well to make it.
Wow.
Yeah, and the tamal, I like to make it a day before so it sets and it's easy to cut. And then when you warm it up, it comes back to life, like very nice and soft, and it melts in your mouth.
Oh, I can't wait to try some. So the pork goes on the tamale, and then you've got the orange. Have you done anything with the orange, or is that plain citrus?
I put some orange blossom water and some cinnamon.
Ooh, delicious.
So you get all the aromas and all, like the florals and...
All the romance, I love it. I'm gonna scooch this out of the way. And this mole sauce.
And the mole, which has like 22 ingredients in it. It takes a while. It has like different techniques in each ingredient, like we toast it, with fried, with char, and then we process it like very well because a good mole has to be very, very smooth, even though it has so many spices, so it's very easy to get it like grainy, kind of.
What would your mother and your grandmother think of this dish?
My grandmother will be very proud, and my mom, I can't wait to call her and say, like, Mom, we want.
Well, I'm gonna try this before your mom. I'm really excited. How do I eat this? You show me.
Here.
We're gonna cut it?
Yep.
Put this down. This way?
Yeah. Also, there is a silken pack, which is a salsa made from pumpkin seeds and habanero sauce.
I've never heard of salsa made with pumpkin seed before.
It's traditional from Yucatan, the south of Mexico. It's very spicy, so I recommend to take just a little bit.
Just a little bit? Is that too much?
Probably.
I like it. It's too much? Okay, well.
It's just like the spice note on the dish. So you have the sweetness, the smoky, the freshness, floral.
So many layers in this dish. Oh, that's really good.
Thank you so much.
Your grandma's going to be really proud.
Thank you.
My mouth is full of food. Elia, congratulations on your win. And this fabulous dish. Oh, man, you taste all the layers.